Getting started with otters. How to track a shipment. Managing your shipments is simple with Sennder. Otters tracks your shipments end-to-end and in real time using GPS. If you need to find out exactly where your shipment is, log in to the Otters portal. Then click on My Shipments on the top right via the quick access links as shown here. The list view will show you your shipment's real-time status and location. From this page, you'll see all of your registered, confirmed, and in-transit shipments with Sennder. Each of your shipments will be labeled according to its current status. By using the search button, you can view specific shipments according to their status, pickup location, pickup date, delivery location, or delivery date. For example, you can search for and review all shipments with the status of in transit or delivered. Just select the search filter you want to use from the drop-down menu and click Search. You will then see all the shipments with your selected status. If you need to start over, simply clear your search filters by pressing the X beside the word. Then go ahead and enter a new search. To see detailed information about a shipment, click on a single shipment. In the following window, you can view the truck's location, whether it is in transit or delivered, and exactly where it is between point A and point B. You will find this information under the categories labeled Tracking and Details. In the Documents section, you can review and download PODs submitted by carriers. Now you're ready to track your shipments in real time and with ease.